Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and today I'm going to show you how to use transitions in CapCut for PC like a pro. We'll go over what transitions are, how to apply them, and we'll break down every transition category, including blur, glitch, mask, light effects, and more, so you know exactly which ones to use and how to level up your edits. Let's get started. When you have two videos imported in your timeline, go over to the Transitions tab, and here you're greeted with all of the transitions. What are transitions? Transitions are animated effects that help your video flow smoothly from one clip to the next. Instead of a hard cut, a transition adds motion, style, or energy between clips, which makes your edit feel more polished, intentional, and engaging. Now let's go over all the transition categories. The first one is your favorites. This is your custom list of transitions you use the most. Just click on the star icon on any transition to edit here for easy access. Now when you click on transitions, you're greeted with many different categories. Trending. These are transitions that are popular right now, often used in viral edits, TikToks, and Reels. Expect dramatic zooms, light wipes, or transitions that match current editing styles. This is perfect for keeping your content fresh and on trend. The next section we have is the Pro one. You can only use these transitions if you have CapCut Pro. Overlay transitions use layer effects like smoke, fire, light leaks, or texture between clips. They often have particles, sparkles, or grunge. This is perfect for aesthetic edits, transitions in music videos, or emotional storytelling. Light effects. These use animated lens flares, glows, flashes, or glow sweeps between clips. Think of it like light passing over the lens as the scene changes. This is perfect for beauty edits, fashion content, romantic transitions, or dance videos. Camera. These simulate camera motion like zoom in, zoom outs, whip pans, or handheld shakes. This makes your cut feel like a camera is actually moving through the clips. This is perfect for energetic reels, fast-paced TikToks, and dynamic storytelling. Blur. These transitions use motion blur, zoom blur, or directional blur to soften the cut. Smooth, stylish, and easy on the eyes. This is perfect for clean edits, highlight reels, and matching with music transitions. Basic. These are simple transitions, like swipe to the left, swipe to the right, drag switch, down, or up. These are perfect for professional content, slideshows, or minimal edits. Mask. These use shape reveals like circles, lines, grids, or screen wipes to transition from one clip to the other. These are very visual and stylized. This is perfect for creative edits, transitions with text, or storytelling intros. Slide. Moves the first clip out while sliding to the next one, horizontally, vertically, diagonally, classic, and smooth. This is perfect for photo edits, montages, vlog style transitions, or Instagram stories. Glitch uses digital static, RGB separation, or distortion for a high-tech, chaotic vibe. They feel sharp and energetic, perfect for edgy content, gaming edits, or dramatic cuts. And the last section is distortion. These warp the screen as the clip changes, blending, rippling, and twisting visuals. They add drama and surreal motion. This is perfect for music videos, trippy edits, beat drops, or horror-style cuts. When you drag a transition between the two clips, you can select the transition, and by holding it and dragging it to the left or to the right, you can change the duration of the transition. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.